instead of the finding all the frequent item set, so we are going to focus on the closed and next pattern. The closed pattern means there's no the proper superclass with the same support. Okay, that is the reason last time we have the closed item set. Closed item set, so we have in this transaction database, we have the two closed item set. That is the one with the support of 1, and this one is the 2, okay, because it has the 2 times. So that is the closed item set in next pattern. So that is the without considering closed means the frequent item. There is no super pattern with the same support. But the next pattern is that there is no mention about the support, only the no frequent super pattern of Y. Okay, that includes X. So next pattern is in this case the 100. Okay? The A1 through the A100, the transaction. So in mining, close for such a frequent pattern, we can focus on the closed pattern and the maximum pattern. Then we are not going to consider any sub the pattern. Okay. I'm going to skip this part. Max minor focus on the maximum pattern instead of checking all of this. So if this is the potential max pattern, then if we decide that this is the maximum pattern, then we don't have to check the CD or the BD or any others. So just checking the sub-frequent pattern of this one, because it's the maximum. It's a kind of the boundary. In the market, you can find some of the visualization tools that can show the relationship in terms of the association rule mining. Okay, like this one. I'm going to quickly explain about this part, the evaluation pattern evaluation. At once we got the pattern, so frequent pattern, how to evaluate. So there are many evaluation metrics to decide whether the two items are the associate. So at that time, so we can use the many algorithm, but that should address the problem of the null data. Okay, what if we have the null data? So during the pre-processing, we can actually compensate replace the null data. Sometimes not. So if the many of the measure to decide the associate the relation related data. So do not consider null. So by considering the null, there are 4 well-known measurements. Okay. That is one is the Kluzinski is one of them. Kluzinski, oh yes, here the coherence and cosine Kluzinski, and the last one is the IR, the imbalance ratio. Okay, so we can you can select the one of these to measure the how much related the item is to check this one. This is the same idea as the one used in the PCA. So how much related between the attribute. So we are going to finish the association rule mining, then move to the chapter 10. The textbook covered the, oh, by the way, for the last week homework, so you don't have to submit today. So you can, because of today we covered the FD growth, so why don't you complete the question 6.2 that include the improvement, solve the same problem with the FD growth, then compare. Okay, so next class, so by adding the FD growth, why don't you submit the final